welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geeta's Kitchen. Today is our second day in Munnar. Felix arranged an off-roading jeep ride for us to Kolukkumalai to see the sunrise. We were picked up at 4:30 am from Sienna Village, our resort at Chinnakanal. It took about an hour and 15 minutes to reach Kolukkumalai, covering about 15 kilometers from Chinnakanal via Suryanelli. The ride from Suryanelli to Kolukkumalai was 9 kilometers and was the craziest travel experience of our lives. There was not a moment of silence during this ride as we jumped around continuously in the jeep and up this rocky pathway we went. Finally, the jeep parked at a pitch black spot in the mountains. We then climbed up the last 100 meters to reach the viewpoint on the tip of the mountain. It was now 5:45 am, about an hour before the sunrise. The sky was getting ready to welcome the sun and the view was mesmerizing. Nothing is more beautiful than the loveliness of this place before sunrise. Each sunrise brings a new day with new hopes for a new beginning. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Each new day, a gift to be opened, sunrise slowly unties its ribbon of hope. First light from the sun comes out 30 minutes before the sunrise. You could see how the vegetation changed according to the height, and after a particular height, there are no trees, only shrubs and grass. The name Kolukkumalai means shivering mountain, and it does live up to its name, being 7,500 feet above sea level. We were quite cold and thankful for the warm clothes we came prepared with. It is nature's nightly show, the first hints of pink that creep across the sky and develop into a riot of deepest oranges and reds. You can define twilight simply as the time of the day between daylight and darkness, whether that is after sunset or before sunrise. It is a time when the light from the sky appears diffused and often pinkish. The sun is below the horizon, but its rays are scattered by Earth's atmosphere to create the colors of twilight. Kolukkumalai is a small village in the Chennai district of Tamil Nadu at the border of Idukki district of Kerala. So technically it is part of Tamil Nadu, but Munnar is the most popular gateway to Kolukkumalai. Started to come out, the total atmosphere became heavenly. You can see lots of hanging clouds and fogs below you, and the sun rays like melting gold flowing from sky to earth. The emerald green tea estate in the West Valley looked like the silent viewer of this blissful dawn. The sunrise, the mist, the fog, and the clouds, nature was truly painting a picture which no words could do justice to. It is a 360-degree view from the top of the hill. Around 6:45 am, we saw the most breathtaking sunrises of our lives. We were all lost for words when the sun popped out from the horizon like a bright ball of light, carving through the fog while the sun rays touched our bodies. All the pictures and videos we captured of the Kolukkumalai sunrise will never do justice to this heavenly moment. You literally felt on top of the world, so peaceful, tranquil, and rejuvenating. visited Singapara or the Tiger Mountain and then made our way down. As we rode down the bumpy journey in our jeep, we enjoyed seeing the acres and acres of tea plantations spread across Munnar. Kolukkumalai etched a 4-hour beautiful sight in our minds and hearts, and with a promise to visit again, we returned to our resort to freshen up for more adventures of the day.